welcome back to my channel. I'm Kasie, and guess what? It's Christmas! I'm gonna do you some Christmas jumper hacks. I think there are 3 different kinds of audiences for a Christmas jumper. There's the kind that wallow in it, who love it, the kind who kind of work it, like a bit of a stylish one, and then there's the kind that dip their toe in it. A tiny suggestion. I think I've got one for each of you. Okay, so this is for your more dipping your toe in, the classy jumper for Christmas. We need a jumper. In this case, it's kind of a t-shirt. Don't just think these have to be jumpers. You can get any old t-shirt. I picked this one up from a charity shop for £2. Then you are going to need some paint, fabric paint. I'm using black today, and I want matte because I'm going to be adding a little secret ingredient to that. And the secret ingredient is this. It's glitter, especially for paint. Get yourself a palette, a little sponge, a little A4 pocket, a metal clipboard, and whatever picture you want to be part of your design. Okay, so for the first jumper, we're going to be stenciling a pattern, a picture on the fabric. To make your stencil, you need one of these. It's one of these little A4 Polly Pocket folders. And you need your pictures. Place your picture on top of your clipboard, take your Polly Pocket. At the moment it's 2 sheets, you need to get rid of one of those, so just cut it. Now to keep your plastic sheet in place, I like to pop a little bit of glue tack in all 4 corners, just to stop it slipping around. Take a ruler and one of these things, a little craft knife. This is going to give you that really lovely clean edge that you need. Okay, when you're done, just pop it out. And you should be left with one of these. Now I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to do a smaller size because for my t-shirt I want to have a bigger tree and I want to have a smaller one. Okay, so let's prepare the paint. Pour your black fabric paint into your palette and then add your glitter. I want to do something different with this. Everyone always does the design on the front. I'm going on the back. The most important thing, your metal clipboard. Do not forget to put this between the layers. To stop your stencil from moving around, just paint on a little bit of low-tack adhesive. Whatever you do, don't overload your sponge with paint. You don't need much. Start in the centre and work your way out to the edges. Okay, when you're happy with it, it's time to take the plastic off. To seal your image, to stop it disappearing in the washing machine, take a clean piece of paper and just iron it. That's the main design done. Now for the mini version on the left top pocket. If you get a little bit more adventurous with your stenciling, then you can make something like this. I just think this is super cute. Out of all of the jumpers, I think this one's my favourite. Okay, the next jumper is for the person who likes to wallow in Christmas, who's not afraid to go there. You need your jumper, you need some pom-poms, fabric glue and a needle and cotton. Start with your metal clipboard again, pop it in your garment, and this is going to stop the pieces of material sticking together when you bring on the fabric glue. So take your pom-poms and lay them wherever you fancy. You can be as random or as uniform as you like. Next, take your fabric glue and start gluing your pom-poms into place. I don't particularly trust fabric glue in washing machines, so to make them really secure, take your thread and put a few stitches in each pom-pom. You can use loads of colour combinations. I did this one as well because I just thought the white on white looked really cute. Okay, so the next one is the kind of jumper where you love Christmas, but you're not all out singing and dancing with bells on. You're just kind of working Christmas. You need your jumper or t-shirt and about 20 iron-on snowflakes or whatever shape takes your fancy. Lay them out as you want, just to get a rough idea, and then start to work it in whatever pattern I quite like doing. I tend to eyeball these things. I really don't like to be too precise with them. And then it is what it is. I mean, there's no skill to this, it's just fab. You get a piece of plain paper, lay it on, and just slowly work your way down the t-shirt, ironing and fixing those shapes. Take your time, try not to move the iron too much. Press firmly on the iron, and when you take the paper away, you'll be fine, they'll be stuck. If you don't want anything quite this jazzy, then I also did this one, which is really cool. It's just a little bit more subtle, just popped a star over the left pocket. a little nod to Christmas. Hope you liked it, guys. That's it from me. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. Most importantly, if you do any of these jumpers or t-shirts, will you let me see them? Take a picture and tag me in on social media. If you want to know when my videos come out, just tap the little bell at the top of the screen. All right, guys, that's it for me. Happy Christmas. See you later.